You've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and yes, it is, and that's why we'll list a few recommended breakfasts if you're on a diet. When we subject ourselves to a diet regimen or a diet, breakfast doesn't lose any of its importance. In fact, it has even more value. However, this message is often misunderstood, and some people use breakfast as an excuse to cheat on their diet. In this video, we'll give you 6 excellent and varied options for breakfast that are ideal for a diet. We hope that this will continue to be your most important and nutritious meal of the day, without making you feel guilty. But, first, how should a healthy breakfast be? These are the nutrients and ingredients that every healthy breakfast should include. Carbohydrates, and if they are complex, like whole grains, that makes them better. Protein, eggs, nuts or lean meats. Dairy, in the form of cheese, vegetable milks, skim milk or yogurt. A good dose of minerals, fibers and vitamins. When it comes to calorie content, for someone who needs 2,000 calories a day, breakfast should contain between 400 and 500 calories. However, remember that calories themselves are not energy, so this range can be a little less if we are carrying out a weight loss diet. 6 highly recommended breakfasts if you're on a diet. 1. Oats with chia and kiwi. Ingredients: 1 cup of skim milk, 250 milliliters, 1 medium kiwi, 3 tablespoons of oat flakes, 45 grams, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 15 grams. The energy supply of this breakfast is important, since the milk and the oats are great carbohydrates. In addition, there are vitamins provided by the kiwi, and the proteins and fibers from the chia seeds. It is, without a doubt, a perfect combination that contains a total of 376.45 calories. 2. Eggs, spinach and orange juice. Ingredients: 1 whole egg, 1 egg white, 2 cups of spinach, 60 grams, 2 slices of wheat bread, 1 cup of orange juice, 200 milliliters, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 5 grams. Preparation: with the egg white and spinach you can make a delicious omelet that is rich in proteins. Use the vegetable oil to cook it. This, along with the vitamin C in the orange juice and the fiber in the wheat bread, makes for a perfectly nutrient-balanced breakfast. 3. Wheat bread, avocado and chia. Ingredients: 1 hard-boiled egg, 1/3 avocado, 50 grams, 1 small cup of skim milk, 150 milliliters, 2 slices of wheat bread, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 15 grams. Preparation: toast the bread and put the avocado and egg on top. If you would like, you can add tomato slices. Sprinkle on the chia seeds and accompany the toast with a little skim milk. The protagonist in the recipe is the avocado, with its significant quantities of vitamins, potassium, good fatty acids for the heart and fiber. It's a favorite when we are talking about breakfast. However, we recommend that you don't overuse it, since it contains a lot of calories. 4. Oats, banana and strawberries. Ingredients: 1 and 1/2 cup of skim milk, 300 milliliters, 1/4 ripe banana, 1 cup of strawberries, 140 grams, 3 tablespoons of oat flakes, 45 grams, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 milliliters. Preparation: in this case, you can make an oat smoothie sweetened with the energy of the banana and strawberries. Add all of the ingredients in the blender and process them until you have a homogeneous liquid. This smoothie is also very well balanced and contains a total of 331 kilocalories. 5. Yogurt and fruit. Ingredients: 1 cup of low-fat, sugar-free yogurt, 200 grams, 2 slices of pineapple, 2 slices of melon, 1 handful of almonds, 1 cups of carrot or apple juice, 200 milliliters. Both the yogurt and the melon and pineapple are energy providers. Also, they have diuretic properties and are a great source of vitamins. It's the same with the carrot and apple juices and the fiber in the almonds. 6. Ham, wheat bread and pineapple. Ingredients: 1 cup of skim milk, 250 milliliters, 2 slices of ham, 2 slices of wheat bread, 1 cup of pineapple juice, 200 milliliters. We couldn't forget about delicious ham, which provides the necessary proteins to start our day with a great amount of energy. You can also accompany it with a little light marmalade if you would like. With this and the pineapple juice, you will have the ideal amount of sugars. We hope that, with these recipes, you now have some inspiration to vary your daily breakfast. And, because of them, you can start your day on the right foot without having to cheat on your diet. If you like the video, like it and share it to your friends. If you like more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.